Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Twitch stream keys safely in OBS, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Twitch stream keys safely in OBS, start by opening your Twitch account in your web browser. Log in by entering your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon located at the top right corner. Click on the Creator Dashboard from the drop-down menu. In the Creator Dashboard, look for the Settings option on the left sidebar. Click on Stream under the Settings section. You will now see your Stream Key section. To reveal your stream key, click on the Show button next to it. Copy the stream key by clicking the copy icon next to the revealed key. Next, open your OBS Studio application on your computer. In OBS, click on Settings located in the lower right corner. In the Settings window, select the Stream tab from the left sidebar. For the Service drop-down menu, select Twitch. In the Server option, choose the nearest server to your location for optimal performance. Now, paste your copied stream key into the stream key field. Ensure there are no extra spaces before or after the key. Click Apply and then OK to save your changes. You are now ready to start streaming on Twitch securely. Make sure to keep your stream key private to prevent unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.